This is the Oppo Reno 6 and this is the Oppo Reno 6 Pro. Okay, I will admit, these looks amazing, especially the Oppo Reno 6 because of the squared off edges and flat screen design. Also, the flat back on the Oppo Reno 6 looks amazing. Don't get me wrong, I do like the Oppo Reno 6 Pro's design. The back of both the phones are pretty much identical, matte finish and very difficult to smudge. The Reno 6 Pro compared to the Reno 6 has curved edges. But personally, I will select the flat screen on the Reno 6 because it's less prone to breaking. The Reno 6 Pro's frame is plastic and to my surprise, the cheaper Reno 6 has a metal frame. You can see the difference in the antenna bands here. The front of both the phones are protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Hopefully they can take a drop or two. I will not be testing that. Moving to the display of these phones. Both the phones comes with Full HD plus 90Hz OLED display. Both phones support 1080p playback on Netflix and Prime Video. But the sad part is that HDR is only supported in YouTube. So overall the displays are pretty good, and to Oppo's credit, at least they are giving their customers an option to select a curved display or a flat display. Both phones are powered by MediaTek Dimensity processors. Reno 6 is powered by Dimensity 900, which we are seeing for the first time in the Indian market, and the Reno 6 Pro is powered by Dimensity 1200. So I ran PUBG Mobile, Battlegrounds Mobile India. But on a serious note, here is where we see a noticeable difference. Dimensity 900, Dimensity 1200. So the Reno 6 Pro powered by Dimensity 1200 supports HDR on ultra settings, that's the maximum available. But for Reno 6, we only have HD as high available as maximum. In the smooth option as well, we see that there is an extreme option available for the Reno 6 Pro, and for Reno 6, high is maximum. I played both the games on the maximum settings available, so HDR Ultra for the Reno 6 Pro and HD High for the Reno 6. We can obviously see the difference between HDR and HD over here, but we also do see that both phones are performing very well for their dedicated settings. I also ran benchmarks for both the phones. Dimensity 900 is underpowered than Dimensity 1200. Dimensity 900 performs at par with Dimensity 1200 on day-to-day usage. ColorOS 11 on Android 11 is very well optimized and runs amazingly well on 90Hz. And there are no lags or slowdowns in day-to-day usage. Now let's talk about my favorite part, cameras. Both phones comes with a primary 64 megapixel sensor at f1.7. I took some images and the results are good. The dynamic range and the HDR performance is good. Colors are very well maintained and no over sharpening. There is also the much hyped AI highlight video, and in the sample you can see that it performs pretty decently. Also, talking about video recording capabilities of both phones, both are capable of recording at 4K 30 FPS, but overall the video quality is pretty good. The ultra wide lens also performs well. The phone comes with decent amount of battery, 4300 mAh battery for Reno 6 and 4500 mAh battery for the Reno 6 Pro. Both the phones support Oppo's 65 watt charging. And I know that there is a problem here, and that is that these phones are a little expensive. Starting with Reno 6 Pro at 40,000 rupees. In the competitors column, there is Mi 11X Pro and iQOO 7 Legend. Both are powered by Snapdragon 888. Coming to Reno 6 at 30,000 rupees. Here the market is very cutthroat, with phones like Realme X7 Max, Nord 2, Mi 11X, iQOO 7, Poco X3 GT, and many more. In all these comparisons and competition, we forget one thing, that these phones are not targeted towards us. We, the tech nerds who watch these videos, who research for days and days before buying anything small related to tech. These phones are not for us. These are in fact for the offline community. But overall, these are good phones. These are not the best phones for the price, but these are good phones for the non-tech nerds. I think I'm done here. Thank you for watching. This was Sharan from Mashable India. You guys please stay safe.